What up? Welcome back to another week, guys. I hope y'all had a great weekend again with FXKTrading Co, guys. So for this week, we have a few setups I'm going to be giving to you guys, which are going to be three EURUSD, USDCAD, CHFJPY. So these are three of the VIP team trades that I'm going to be showing you the opportunities that I will be personally looking to trade for this week. So total this week for the VIP team, we are looking at around 8 trades. It might not be more than 8, seeing that this week on the 4th will be my birthday. So I'll be pretty much enjoying this week, having a lot of fun. So I won't be doing too much trading this week. I'll be kind of going light. So only sharing about 8 setups this week with my team. And so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive in. As always, starting off to show you guys the services that we do offer. If you are not subscribed, guys, go ahead and click the subscribe button. That way you guys are staying intact with everything that we do put out, so that you guys don't miss any type of trade opportunities for the upcoming trading week. So here's our website, FXKTrading.com. If you guys come over to the services tab, you will see a few of the services that we do offer, as far as monthly signals, mentoring services, the Forecaster Pro trading software, as well as our bootcamp service. We do have other services as well, which you can review throughout the website. Currently, the bootcamp package is currently sold out for this month. Once we are finished with this month, then more packages will open. If you are interested, as always, just shoot me an email or a message, guys, and I can put you on the waiting list for the next upcoming bootcamp session. So with that being said, guys, this is our website, again, FXKTrading.com. And for the news this week. So fundamentals. This week for fundamentals, we'll have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that are going to be pretty much important for us. Monday, seeing that we have Aussie rate statement, so you guys want to watch out for that on Monday night. For that news, you should see some impulsive movement throughout the Aussie pairs. On Wednesday, we do have FOMC, as well as Friday, we do have non-farm payroll, so NFP. So just be mindful of that. On Wednesday to Friday is most likely when you'll start to see movement on the dollar pair. So for the beginning of the week, we might just be kind of stalling until midweek or the end of the week before we actually get any type of directional buys on a lot of these dollar pairs. So just be mindful of that, okay? So jumping on in, the opportunities that I'm going to be sharing with the public this week is going to be CHFJPY. So the VIP team is going to be looking to trade this towards the downside. Structurally, what I'm looking at on the daily time frame is for us to start to complete wave 3. Right now, it does look like we're starting to print out a potential reversal pattern. I can see a potential head and shoulders forming here, basically seeing a left shoulder here, a potential head shoulder here, and a right shoulder here. So me personally, the way I like to trade head and shoulders patterns, I usually only go for around 75% of the smallest shoulder. So I take the measurement. So technically, if we do extend all the way up here, this might be the smallest shoulder, which is around 202 pips. So if I take that duplicated around the neckline, it'll line us around the point of 137.822 as the final target. Me personally, I usually only go for around 75%. So that would literally align us right before our demand zone here. So that's why I'll be looking to actually take profit for this trade. I'm not going to be focused on the longs at all. So please do not focus on the longs. For now, I am just going to be focusing on the temporary potential buys up towards the beginning of the week and these sells down. So I am going to be looking to personally enter the market around 142.013. I'm going to be placing my stop loss at 142.784, and I'm going to be looking to exit out of the trade at 138.343. So that's what I'll be looking to do on CHFJPY for this week. USDCAD. So for USDCAD, I want to see further continuation down. I want to show you guys pretty much what I'm going to expect on the actual movement down. And again, guys, if you're not already subscribed, take the time out to feel free to subscribe and drop a comment if you guys have any questions or any concerns. If you were able to make some profits from us last week, feel free to drop that comment as well. Last week, we literally killed the market on that EURUSD trade that I gave out to the public, as well as some other trades that I gave out to you guys. So I hope you guys were able to capitalize from last week's free public trades. So for this week on USDCAD, you have 2 options. what we could look for is either a small correction up and then a continuation down, or we'll go back up to pierce this high, sweep, and then drop. So that's going to be your two options that I want you guys to look for on USDCAD for this week. Now, when we come up to sweep this area, the full zone is truly here. So anywhere in this range, you guys can look for a, So anywhere in this range, you guys can look for a reversal on USDCAD to potentially head towards the downside. So again, that's USDCAD, and I'm going to be looking for price action overall to be headed towards the downside. Last trade that I'll be sharing with the public group this week is going to be EURUSD. So what I want you guys to look for on EURUSD is how price action reacts once we get back into these lows. So I do think that we're going to potentially roll over maybe one more time and take these lows before we actually look to go long. If we don't do that, then we'll end up just going long, but I really would prefer to see us roll over one more time before we actually start going long. So what me and the VIP team will be looking for is a sweep of this low and potentially this low as well, and then we'll look to enter this trade. So my personal entry, stop loss, and TP for this trade will be entry at 1.03612. I'm going to be looking to place my stop loss at 1.02703, and I'm going to be looking to take profit and close out of this trade around 1.07495. So those are the three trades that I want you guys to potentially look at for this week. Again, EURUSD, USDCAD, and CHFJPY. As always, guys, I do appreciate all of you for tuning in. If y'all have any questions or any concerns, feel free to drop a comment or shoot me an email at deandreforex@gmail.com. Again, our website is FXKTrading.com. You guys have a great trading week, and if you guys would like more updates, again, feel free to head on over to our website, join the signals package. That way you guys don't miss any updates as far as on the trades that we are having throughout the week. So I usually drop updates almost every day, if not every other day, as far as for the trade outcomes, so the team stays up to date on what we're actually looking at and what's our next plan basically for the rest of that week. So again, you guys have a great trading week. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in, and I will see you all on the next update.